All right, guys, watch my live trade on Micron that I did it in YouTube and the community with the help of the most essential tool that you need for day trading and scalping, Market Atlas at Trading Terminal. I saw the pattern, I saw clear orders on Market Atlas, and I took that trade, added on that, and watch my live trade management. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, Micron MU again was a crazy trading opportunity. You know, we traded with the Market Atlas, amazing breakouts from $830 to over $900. And in this recap, I want to show you exactly what we traded and what a beautiful move. We had over $28,000 profit live in the chat room. So I just wanted step by step to show you how we actually traded that and what we saw in Market Atlas at Trading Terminal, that we saw this clear, very clear signal, live recording. You can see actually my live trading recording, that how actually I made that trade. So at the open, MU was gapping up, obviously, because of the, again, another news that he had. You know, the memory sector is crazy. Very strong open, 1 minute or 2 minutes, and the really nice consolidation. And then we went long with the Market Atlas. We saw in the Market Atlas the big orders are stacking up. So we went long, added more. I have the recording of this trade live for you. So you can see actually what we saw on Market Atlas and, to the upside. It was so clear at around $838, $842, added more 860. And then on the pullback on the moving averages, added more. Again, 54 added more, and we just continued this really amazing breakout live in the. So I switched to 5 minutes. So as you see here in the 5 minute, I'm switching it. So beautiful move from $840 with two ads here all the way up to $890, and then the big order was at 90. So we added more on that. So if you zoom in here, so we added more at 879, all the way up to above 900 that we sold, all the way up to around $915. So it was a crazy 20% move on that. So, it's right now closes at over 20% on a daily chart. Unbelievable move, gap up. It's just craziest move I've ever seen in. And we've been trading MU for the last 13, 14 years, and when it was very low price, but now it's just crazy that it's going up. What we saw is based on Market Atlas, and I do have a recording to show it to you. And exactly the moment that I saw the signals in the chat room in the community, and also, of course, in the YouTube, what we saw and how we actually added into that trade. We also traded AMD. That would be nice to take a look at an AMD, and same pattern. So gap up for all-time high. So as you see here, we're from 480 all the way up to 495. As you see, this is an amazing daily chart on AMD. So obviously we didn't trade it all the way to the afternoon, but two trades again. So went long, partial, got a stop down, went back up again, came back up long again, and really beautiful from 489 to 495. These trades are all based on the order flow and liquidity of the Market Atlas, that how the orders are stacking up, so you can actually get these beautiful breakouts on these trades. So if you switch to NU again, if you want to see the the strategy, would be a very beautiful 5 minute opening range breakout with really nice ABCD pattern that we just got that. And as you see here, obviously we had a very close position of over $28,000 and AMD and we did some NVIDIA and QCOM as well, but they were less significant. Now I want to show you the recording to what I saw exactly in that moment, my entries and the Market Atlas, what we saw in Market Atlas that went higher. Right, so this is my recording at 9. So you can see the time at 9:37 here. This is the MU. What I saw, the order is at 850. It's a huge order stacking up at 850. Obviously, the pattern was really bullish. I still noticed the pattern. This is what I want, ABCD pattern, bullish pattern. In that time was 11%. And we decided to go long. And we put stop loss roughly around here. So, around $5, $6 per share, around these moving averages. That would be my risk. But potential would be around 850. You see, that's really good orders to the upside. So you monitor the situation here on a 5 minute chart is still making a really good, higher high and higher lows. I constantly checking the market atlas. I took a screenshot here for the chat room and community to make sure that the people are actually following my trades. And as you see here, so we are waiting to see. Let me increase the speed of this one. I'm going to increase this one at 2.5 speed. So this is a 2.5 time to just go faster. You see the orders at 850 is still ready. At 842, that's my entry. I have a really good conviction that if he's really holding this ABCD pattern, and so I added more on my position. As you see, checking out market atlas quickly, you have to constantly adjust your market atlas. You see there's a huge order here. So that's a really good sign that you really want to stay in the trade. Boom, went through 850. I started partialing some. And so this is the moment that you really want to check out the market atlas and see what happens to the orders. Do they take the orders to the upside? Or the orders are really becoming, the order flow becoming imbalanced. So what we are hearing, what I was checking here, so obviously we are booking the profit. So I'm really trying to see what the orders I have to the upside, and still the pattern is really bullish. I'm zooming out on my market atlas to see. Still seems to me there's some fairly big orders. There you go. So now the orders are coming at around 860. So this is what I want. The colors will become red, and means the orders are really trying to stack up, and that's exactly what I want. SPY 7,500, and at the same time starting to go up. These pullbacks are not really scaring me out. So I'm this is the NVIDIA. So I switched to NVIDIA Atlas quickly to see what's happening. Check out a couple of other active stocks. ASTS is pretty active. So I was checking it to see what we can potentially trade on that, and then switch back to MU. You see the price is still going up. I have to switch back to my Atlas. Okay, there you go. I switch to my Atlas. And you see 855, 860 orders are up there. There you go. Boom. So see how it went up and jumped through this $855 field really fast. And, we are continuing to going higher. Again, this is at, 2.5 times faster speed. So it's, this is a recording of my trade. But again, I have a really good confirmation of around 860. I'm making a trade on NVIDIA. Quickly go back to NVIDIA. That's why I had two positions at the same time. I was looking at NVIDIA. I really didn't like NVIDIA because the orders on NVIDIA didn't show up. So I switched back to my MU, which is the most important thing. And then I took a trade on AMD. So as you see, I took a trade on AMD at 489 because, again, you saw a really, really nice, good 490 trade on AMD. The orders on market atlas. So that's why I really went long and added more. And as you see here, based on market atlas, I took two positions, and there you go, we're going up and there. And then I'm checking up on my MU again, switching back at MU. The 860 orders are getting filled. So as you see, I'm actually managing two positions at the same time, but both of them are the same concepts. That when you see these huge order on market atlas and the price action is bullish, you go long and you add to your position. This is exactly what AMD is there. I'm trying to partial here because I saw the big orders at 490 got filled, and AMD is continuing going higher because AMD also had a much bigger trades that available for us. That was amazing. So we just continue trading this, MU well all the way up to 900 with the help of market atlas. If you're really, really interested to see our trading live, you can come into our community or YouTube live show during the market hours. I'm actually myself trade this live with the help of our community. I'm happy to have you in the community and check out the trading terminal market atlas. We do this trade every single day with the help of market atlas. Thanks for watching.